Good morning and welcome to the VSA Morning Miner. I'm joined by Paul Rankin today, who's back from a long trip to the States. Paul, how are you? Happy Easter.
And thank you, and happy Easter to you too.
Thanks very much. Did you have a good trip?
Oh, I would say it was pretty exhausting actually, so I'm not very well rested.
Okay, let's get into the mining news then. Paul, where did you want to start?
Let's start with Sarabi Gold, the AIM-quoted gold operator in Brazil. They've come out with a Q1 operational review released this morning, and the key point I think is that they've announced a profit warning due to production issues on the Sao Chico ore body, such that they've cut their guidance for this year by about 6,000 ounces to no more than 30,000 ounces or so for the year. Also, the grade so far in this first quarter has been lower than the prior period at just 5.7 grams per ton. So that gold production was just over 7,000 ounces for a cut of over 1,000 ounces on a year-on-year basis. They are looking forward, however, to the Coringa deposit results coming back, where the gold grades so far they're encountering on the underground development at Coringa are coming in better than what they were expecting at this point. They do still hold about $6.9 million in current capital at this point in time.
Yeah, not the first setback for Sarabi. They've had a few, although had looked to be making some positive progress recently, so that is a bit disappointing.
Yes, I would agree with that, and hopefully it's not something which is going to be a impediment to them for the remainder of the year, because we do want to see, in particular, these average mined and milled grades going higher from here.
Yeah. Paul, linking to one of our clients, Tectonic Gold, there's been an update from Kazira Global.
Yes, Kazira Global is a diamond producer as well as a tantalum mine developer in Namibia. They had reported revenue on diamond sales in 2 months of December and January of about $236,000 from their Alexander Bay beachfront production operation. They've chosen that they will now go ahead and acquire a pan plant in order to have full control of diamond production, as opposed to using or leasing on a tenant basis the plant that they've been using so far. And they also report in Namibia that the tantalum processing plant is being upgraded such that they think that they'll have it back in operation, the mine in Tantalum Valley, pretty quickly here at this point in time. And they're also anxiously awaiting the heavy mineral sands permit for the Whalehead Minerals subsidiary, of which our client Tectonic Gold has a small stake in that mineral sands operation, as well as in the diamond operation.
Are those revenues ticking higher, quite significantly higher from the first half of last year? I think they were about £55,000 and then £100,000 in the following 6 months.
Yes,
good progress, but
it is good progress, yes, but I think they're just not satisfied. They should be doing even better than this with the existing plant. So they want to go to something that they have more full control over.
Yeah, and still some way off profitability at that. The $250,000 of revenue will make more headway to that, but I think the net loss last year was somewhere between $500,000 and $1 million. What else did you spot this morning, Paul?
The African explorer and royalty company listed on AIM called Altus Strategies. They have had mining license granted over the license which holds the Deba gold deposit that they've been drilling on over the past 2 years or so. The Deba holds about 400,000 ounces and indicated in inferred resources. And with a mining license granted, that just puts production one step closer. I don't think Altus, though, their business model isn't really to be a mine operator, though. So I think that their intent is just to sweeten up this package and tie it up in a nice bow so that one of the local operators within 30 kilometers or so might do a deal to acquire that asset.
Yeah. Great. Okay. Thanks, Paul. Unless there's anything else, I think we'll call it a day there.
Very good. We'll see you then tomorrow.
Yeah. Speak to you then tomorrow. Cheers.